A deadly disease is making a comeback, and tonight, state health officials are begging you to get vaccinated for whooping cough. We've had 66 cases in Oklahoma and more than 2,000 in Texas. Experts say some people just don't know they need the vaccine, a mistake that cost one woman her newborn baby. Eyewitness News 5's Carla Wade has her story.
It was what we've always wanted, and it was finally going to happen. And on Christmas, it was like our miracle baby.
Little Callie was indeed a miracle. After 4 miscarriages in 2009, Katie got pregnant again. This time a success. Callie Grace was born Christmas Day.
She came home January 5th. She was happy when she was here. She was a healthy baby. Then she just got a little cough. Things went downhill.
The pediatrician found nothing seriously wrong, but the cough continued. Callie's parents took her back to the doctor, and during this visit, Callie stopped breathing. They rushed her to the hospital, but she died just 2 days later. Callie was just 38 days old. Callie Grace had somehow caught pertussis, better known as whooping cough, a highly contagious bacterial infection. It was a leading cause of illness and death in children in the first half of the 20th century. Since the vaccine was introduced in the 40s, it was thought to be controlled. But cases are on the rise again. Federal officials say it's the worst outbreak in 50 years. And they want new mothers to be vaccinated before leaving the hospital.
We had no idea the whooping cough vaccination was what they wanted mothers to have. Nobody mentioned it to us, nobody brought it up to us, nobody talked about it, so we honestly had no clue.
Carla Wade, Eyewitness News 5.
Oh, such a tragic story. All babies should get the vaccine in a series of doses from 2 months to 18 months. Listen to this. It's called the DTaP vaccine, and it also protects against tetanus and diphtheria. Then kids need to get a Tdap vaccine around 11 or 12. A lot of parents forget that second round, which doctors say could be why we're seeing a rise in whooping cough. Adults who've never gotten that second vaccine can get it now. It's especially important for anyone who's going to be around babies.